Hello everyone, today I want to show you guys this raised garden bed. I got it for review. This is gonna be my first year doing planting, so I'm so excited about this product. I just want to open and show you guys what you get inside and install it and show you like how to like planting as much as my research goes. I will be sharing my experience with you guys. So overall, you get this package. It is really compact unit. Once you receive, you will see you get this curve. It allows you to like put everything together, which is really convenient. You can shrink the size if you want, but usually you would just take these parts. Very easy installation based on the instructions I read. And you also get this corner protection which goes around the frame, so it will help you to just uh, secure around and don't hurt yourself on the edges. So this is exactly what you get, nothing else left inside the package. So user manual, you have the edge, and you have these bars which goes in the middle so it doesn't collapse. And you have these panels. Let's see how many we got. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You got 8 panels in total. So, and you have 4 corners, so that would allow you to make different combinations. So I'm gonna start the installation process. This is how you would install this. You would just put this on the corner, and you have 4 panel you need to attach to the corner over there, and you can see they are the same. My father is helping me. So over here you can see they are very easy, like you won't miss. You have all the holes, you can clearly see, and they align really nicely, really well made. You can see you don't miss anything. I don't see any holes like not aligning. There is no such issue. Really well made, everything aligned really nicely. So we're gonna go ahead and install. Let me just show you guys how easy it is. You just place the nuts here and the screw from the back. You have a washer, you would just install it just like this. You can see you would install I believe 5 of them. 5 screws goes, or 4. Let me see. Yeah, there is 4. You would install 4 of them, and you are pretty much done with that piece, that section. Then you would install the sides. It is almost ready. We are just installing the bar to just secure it. So it is the same concept. You just put uh, the screw and the washer on this part and just secure it. So I just did it on this side, and I'm gonna do it on the other side, and we are pretty much done with it. And then we're gonna put the corner, the ceiling. So let's do that. As you can see, we just start putting the securing seal. uh, I don't really think you really need it. It's not really necessary, but it's just precaution. You can see it's not really sharp. It's just they just bend it towards inside, so that is fine. Maybe this corner when the connections pieces in inner part might be problem, but once you cover this, you can see it's just covered here and goes really well. And the installation, you can see it just goes very smoothly. You can just glide it through and it's just completes really easy. As you can see, overall the installation process took us about 20 minutes, so which is really cool. And it is ready for action. We are gonna get some soil and put it fill it up and we'll see. So as you guys can see, we decided to move it here, and you can see it is really like well made, high quality material. You can see it doesn't even move. So the installation, as I mentioned, took very less time. You can see really nice, well made quality. You have the edge protection in the middle. You have the rod which will keep everything in its place. I bought 5 bags of this mulch and 10 bags of that raised bed garden soil. It is 10 of them and like 5 of them this one. So we are just gonna fill the mulch first and then the soil, and hopefully it will be enough. If not, I will tell you guys how many bags additionally we get it. You can see we just cleared the ground first without any grass, and now we are filling. So hopefully this will fit. As I mentioned, this is my first time doing this, so this year we are going to raise our food. We'll see how it works. As you can see, we just filled it and we decided to go with 4 bags of this mulch. So since it's just almost up to here, like 2 sections is covered, so we decided to put more soil. We're gonna continue adding the soil. Right now we just flatten all the mulch and we are adding the soil right now. And this soil is mixed with mulch and some other fertilizer, and it just kind of smells, so that is normal. They added natural fertilizers on it. And this is the final bag. We just filled out all 10 bags of the soil, and you can see these are the 1.5 cubic feet and 42 liter. This is what I got. So we filled up all of it, and you can see it's almost all the top. Maybe we add another bag, or I think this is pretty good. It's enough. We just leave some gap, and it's pretty much it. So we're gonna go ahead and put the plants inside. We're gonna add some tomatoes and some other vegetables. As you guys can see, we just went to Home Depot and got some tomatoes. I decided to get these bigger ones which already has some tomatoes on it, so that I don't have to wait 60 days. These are almost ready, so we are so excited. We are just going to plant these. We're gonna take out from these and just plant it over there. My father is helping me. We are going to just place 4 of them here. As you can see, he's just uh, making this hole, and you can see the garden bed is still here doing its really good job. It was raining all day this week, like it's been couple days since we put it here, and it took a lot of rain, and I don't see any issue around it. As you can see, it's still in its great condition. There is no bending, no bulging out, so that is really good. As you can see, this is the final result. As you guys can see, we planted all the tomatoes right now, and we have already some tomatoes there. You can see I got the bigger plant so that I don't have to wait 60 something days. So this will be ready, I hope, like within 3 weeks. You can see we have a bunch of tomatoes here, and it's been raining like crazy, and this thing is holding up really well. Initially I was a little bit worried that this middle part might just bend but that didn't happen. It's been raining crazy, it took a lot of water, and it's holding up really well. As you guys can see, we planted a bunch of them, and I am honestly planning to get 2 more to just put it over there so I can have different plants. I'm planning to get some cucumbers, some chili peppers, and some other stuff. I hope you guys will enjoy this raised garden bed as well. Thank you for watching.